Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Spiritual Way. So recently, I've been working with a lot of professionals. People come from different professions to me, from doctors, from IT people, from startups, then restaurant owners. All kind of professionals come to me, and most of them have a similar issue right now, that we have been trying everything, and they do. It's not that they're not trying or they're just lying. Absolutely everybody's trying their best to give focus on their work. The basic result is money, or the outcome is money, right? So they say that I do everything, but last moment the project goes away. We do everything, but we don't get trustworthy employees. People learn from me, they get trained from me, and they just leave me. So, and I feel betrayal. So again I start from zero. I have 10 things in my hand, but finally I end up doing only one thing. So look at other people. They don't have that kind of a potential also, that kind of things which I have, but they're still doing good in their life. There are so many things they come up with, so much of burden, stress, pressure, and so on. The whole idea is that I am giving my bit. I am doing 100% from my side, but still why the results are not coming. Then definitely they come to healers like us to understand, is there any Patrika dosh? Is there any Mahadasha going on? Is there any karmic block? What is the stress issue? Is somebody doing some kind of a negative thing on me? From everything. Because once you get frustrated, you kind of think of all the negative aspects, possible, impossible things, everything. Your mind just loses it, because you just get tired with the circle of failure. You're trying every day, you get up, you have that energy, you listen to the motivation speakers like us, and then you just gather your energy and like, "Nahi, today I'll do it, today is the best day." You have hope, you start, but again and again and again you just go back to the same thing, where you face the failure, and somewhere you're actually tired. That's the whole thing. It's not that you want to give up. A lot of people understand that, this is not working, probably I should just give up, it's not for me. I think I am, मैं कम पढ़ रही हूँ, मैं कम पढ़ रहा हूँ, I am not able to do it. So probably I am not good enough to do all these things. Somewhere something is wrong, some kind of a block is coming, I am not able to understand. But I think it's not happening. It's not that. The whole thing is that somewhere we get tired. Every day we do the same thing again and again and again. Somewhere it becomes monotonous. Because see, people work, it's all a result oriented thing. We work so that we get money, and then we can live the life the way we want. You do a lot of exercise and everything. The result is amazing body, good health, and then you're happy about it. And when you talk to people sweetly, nicely, you send lot of love, compassion, and then you get back lot of love, compassion. That's the outcome. So people are result oriented. They're driven by the results you get. And if you don't get the desirable results, definitely you get disappointed. And all the time you get disappointed, and finally you get tired. You don't want to give up, but you are tired of the failures. That's the whole thing. Now what do? See, each person has a different story and different solutions. So that's why when we do the sessions with tarot, we not only check the tarot, but we see what is happening in his Patrika. So what are you designed for? What are certain planets trying to tell you? None of the planets are negative. All of them are here to bless you in a different way. We just tap into that energy and understand which planet is trying to give you what kind of a blessing. If you are not aligned to that energy, definitely there's going to be a confusion, and then you don't get good results. We see nakshatra. Why? How you are designed. What is the idea? Why were you designed? Why were you born this way? So if you are aligned to that proper design, it's like properly fit, then you get amazing results. If not, then everything just goes for a toss. So when we do a session, it's going to be a personalized thing. It's completely going to see what exactly you're going through, why you're going through, and how you will be able to live a desirable, happy, healthy, prosperous life. That's all we work here. So my dear friends, don't get tired. Don't get caught into this negative circle. Just send a mail to me, send an SMS to me, get in touch with the Spiritual Way, and then we'll work it out. Bright blessings, Spiritual Way.